The Amazon guy brought my magnetic tape that I ordered to put together my sister's present for her graduation and whatever else I'm going to use it for. Because you never know when you're going to need magnetic tape. We actually ran out of it. Because I used it to put pictures up on our refrigerator. Well, the old one. The one we have now, you can't even stick anything to. Except on the sides. But yeah. Hey, puppies. Bunny finally shut up and went to nap. Went to sleep. She's on her Menzies again, so when she's not napping, she just cries and whines and whines and whines this morning. She kept waking me up with her meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. I hope you didn't realize I was filming him. I was gonna do it when he came up and I was like, you know when you have that delayed reaction moment? That was me. Delayed reaction. I'm just chilling right now and watching some YouTube. So I grabbed the Amazon package, which is magnetic tape. I got 2 rolls for my sister. Well, I don't need all 2 of them for the present, but I got more than 1 roll because that's how it came on Amazon of magnetic tape. Because I'm going to be gluing it to the letters somehow to the blackboard for her graduation present. So that's what this is. It's very heavy. I'm about to pull out the tape. So this is what I ordered on Amazon. It's 2 rolls of magnet tape, strong adhesive, no cutting. I was asking Daniel last night, I'm like, what do you do if it's not the right size for the object you're gonna attach it to? And he was like, well, it depends on the thickness. This is it. It's heavy. Okay, so the box comes with these 2 packed in. I'm about to go outside. I put on as much sunblock as I possibly could. And I'm gonna go outside and spray paint the letters for my sister's graduation present. I'm going with plan A or B. I'm going with plan C or D. Whatever that may be. I think I'm gonna do it underneath here though, because I'm not really supposed to be in the sun, even though I put on like a decent amount of sunblock. And I got my letters. I can't find the gray paint. I got another J, another L, and another S for my sister's project. Probably not going to do it on here though, because I'm going to get this ruined. I'm going to prepare my little area. I'll do the L first, but I'm not going to have it on my table because it's going to get ruined. So, where am I going to put it? On the floor? This should be enough. You can see what I'm doing. Put it down here because we're gonna redo the patio anyway over the course of the year. So, forgot to wear a mask. After breathing in all those fumes, I came back inside to show you what the board will be for the lettering. So originally I was going to do a mirror of some sort, or a Bolton board, you know, like a cork Bolton board. And then I was like, but my sister's not really into that. The mirror maybe, but I'm like, but she also has a huge mirror in her living room. And then I was like, but I don't think she's going to want me to put anything on that necessarily. So I'm like, what can I do? So I was still wondering. And we went to Walmart yesterday and I came across this and I was like, ooh, and it was the last one that they had in the aisle. And I was like, ooh, this might be a good idea. The example that they give you. And then on the back it has, I don't know, hanging directions and ways you can hang it up on the wall. Does it come with the pieces? Yeah, it comes with the pieces. So I'll probably try to leave this on here for her. Like, you know, the tools or whatever you need. U-mount hanging something. I'm trying to sleep. I love you. I give her kisses. That's what I give her. Oh. Why are they parked in the bottom of my driveway? Because everybody parks in the bottom of my driveway. Oh, I can't see me. I love you. I love you. He doesn't like it sometimes when I give him kisses. Bumper! Why are you being so finicky? Bunny's like, I love kisses. You don't always act like that. He's just showing it off because he's on camera. Bunny, close your legs. Pretty much all dried. I'm about to go to the store, but before I go, I moved all of them here because this is actually very warm, or it was warm in the sun. These letters are fine to go. This is a little whatever, but I'm not mad about that. Too bad. These I got on Amazon from different people. These two might be from the same, I'm not really sure, but this is from somebody different, or they might all be from somebody different, I'm not really sure. Mostly unpacking from the grocery store, and I ran outside as soon as I could to bring in the pieces that I painted today because I don't want them getting ruined if it does rain, because it's supposed to rain, but sometimes, usually it doesn't when it's supposed to, but sometimes it does. So in the event that it does, I brought them in. I'm gonna probably assemble this gift for my sister tonight, or this evening, but yeah, so. This is pretty much the finished product. I kind of feel like I should have done 3 different colors, but I couldn't get the metallic black spray paint to work. It's the thought that counts. It's nice. And this is my sister's gift. And there's a hardware that comes with this that she can use to hang up somewhere, or she could just lay it up on something. And it's really pretty, and I like this. It was a very thoughtful gift for my sister for her graduation present, and I really hope she likes it. Ta-da!